high-precision Mustang CNC Lathe machine. Suitable for processing various solid wood furnitures. Dining tables, dining chairs, irregular wooden legs, and solid crafts. It can automatically clamp the workpiece in one go. High-speed spindles, low vibration, clean finish. Automatic loading, less manual work. Strong 4.0 kilowatts, servo spindle 0 to 6,000 revolutions per minute cutting power. One 12,000 3 18,000 revolutions per minute spindles. Independent speed control per spin lingual adjustable milling spindles. GBI heavy load ball screws, Taiwan dust-proof Rouse linear guides. Stable Innovance absolute servo motor snow homing after power off. Safer testing with hand wheel trial high pressure automatic lubrication system. Sanding heads for smooth clean edges. Milling plus sanding, faster production, and more consistent quality.